Hello everyone, over my next few tutorial videos, I like to focus on the simplest type of mathematics, arithmetic. As although in my more advanced tutorials, such as on algebra or geometry, I assumed you are familiar with all the basic rules of arithmetic, as that is how it is usually organized in most schools. I believe the arithmetic videos may be useful if you have difficulty using the shortcuts that I know by heart, as the shortcuts will be very useful not only in the advanced math classes, but also just in life in general, such as counting money. In particular, I like to start with addition and subtraction of the smallest numbers, so that way we can use it as proof of concept to build up to more complicated calculations. Addition refers to combining multiple objects to get a group of a total amount of objects, such as 1 plus 1 equals 2, which means when you combine two separate quantities of 1, you get 2 in total. Subtraction is basically addition in reverse, so you take away the amount specified from the total instead of adding to the total. For example, 5 minus 4 equals 1 specifies that if you take 4 of whatever from a group of 5, you have 1 left over, which should make logical sense. If you know you combine one object with 4 objects, you should get 5 objects in total. So if you take away the 4 you just added, you should get the 1 back you started with. In the study of traditional arithmetic, known as the decimal number system, there are only 9 possible digits for each place. So once you go 1 beyond 9, you have to start in a new digit and go back to 0 in the first digit. And you will hear the number formed by this combination is called 10. So the traditional number system is called base 10 because after you exceed 9, aka reach 10, you start a new digit. So if you go beyond 10, you would simply add to the digits as if the new digit did not exist. For example, 9 plus 2 means you start at 9 plus 1 equals 10, but then you add 1 as well, as specified by the 2, so you should get 11, or 1, 1. Now that I've explained how addition and subtraction work for the most basic and smallest numbers, I can talk about multiplication and division of the most basic numbers in the next tutorial video. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.